From the dazzle of Las Vegas, the beauty of Lake Mead, and the modern marvel of Hoover Dam, to the peace and tranquility of the Music Mountains on the Grand Canyon Plateau, Heli USA will give you an experience you will never forget.
Nevada Canyon home, where some folks, they make you belong in. Everybody
Our
gets
exclusive
along.
Grand Canyon Ranch, nestled in a mountainous area between the west end of the Grand Canyon and the Music Mountains of Arizona, was originally known as the Diamond Bar Ranch. Here you can turn back the hands of time and become a part of its history by experiencing the Old West on a working cattle ranch.
Where the main street's a dirt road, a trout stream.
There are no televisions, no cell phones, no smog or crowds. Our 600,000 acre historic working cattle ranch is the ideal location to be a city slicker and escape away. From the ancient Native American tribes to the cowboys of the Wild West, the Grand Canyon has been a symbol of the great Western spirit.
Folks like to go and play that little Nevada Canyon home, where the outdoor end is lots of friends just waiting there to have fun.
Be a part of the centuries-old traditions of the American cowboy as you step back in time on a guided horseback ride and experience over 106,000 acres of untouched beauty. Our guided horse rides on the Grand Canyon Plateau, starlight evenings, and old-fashioned Western cowboy hospitality will leave you with lasting memories. Come to our ranch and rediscover both you and your close friends. Rediscover both you and your friends away from the stress of modern society.
Where you're always happy, never feel alone. That little